everybody. Thank you for coming. It's a pleasure that you are here. My name is Ernesto de la Torre, and my business partner is Afif J. John Martins. So, the proposal of this presentation is to explain you our new business idea about JJ's Supermarket. So, let's start. My friend, he's going to tell what is the order of our presentation.
Well, first, we're going to tell you the needs that we found in people, so that this idea could develop in our minds. Then we're going to present the problems that this needs. The problems of these needs. Then we're going to give a solution for this problem, and finally we're going to tell you our needs so we can have a suitable investment from your part.
Okay, so let's start. Thanks God, all who are here are alive, right? No? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So every day we make many activities. For example, Jael, what did you do this morning?
This morning, go to the class.
But before that,
Sleep.
sleep. So after you wake up, what did you do? Did you take a shower?
Take a shower.
Okay.
Breakfast?
No?
No, you didn't.
When you take a shower,
Okay, a breakfast.
Yeah.
yes. When you take a shower, what do you need?
Protection.
Yes.
Water.
Butter.
Soap?
Be naked.
Flour?
Shampoo.
Be naked also, but that's not the point. You need shampoo, toothpaste, everything.
A soap.
Yes, of course. And
A
for
towel?
the,
A towel?
A towel.
for the breakfast, you need, of course, food, right?
Plate. Yeah.
So we make a market research, and we found these problems. As with the hard situation of our economy, many of moms who are the main support of the house have to work, and also they have to work extra hours, so they don't have time to go to the supermarket to buy all the things. So we are going to present our idea. These are some problems, like go to the supermarket and spend at minimum half an hour to buy the things, and you have to carry it with the bag. You spend time, and also you spend your mobile or some gasoline, or do you need some transport to go to the supermarket? So we have the solution. JJ Supermarket is an online and telephone market. You can order your things that you need by telephone or by online from the comfort of your house or your work. And if you are working, you can tell us at what time will you arrive to your house and at what time do you need the things, and we are going to bring the things at your house at the time that you tell us.
For this new idea of business, we don't need a huge investment. We just need three things: a cellar about 2,000 meters squared, 20 trucks, so we can send the products, and an online page where the clients can see and buy the products. And here we're going to present a little chart of the complete amount of money that we need for the business.
So these are some financial details. The initial inversion is 2 million pesos, and we have a projected annual sales by 1 million and a profit percentage by the 40%. And the time to recover the inversion is 5 years. So I don't know if some buyer agree with us or do you have some questions? Yes.
No, wait. On that.
Yes.
And how are you planning to be competitive with the other supermarkets?
Because the other supermarkets have an extra cost for send the product. So
So you don't have an extra.
No, we are costing our products with a lower cost because we don't need we don't need a lot of workers, so we can reduce by that, and also we can add like one piece of our product, and we don't have an extra payment for sending the products. Let me also wait a little. Do you have something to tell?
Yes, but come up with your question.
I actually have two questions. First, I must ask the obvious. What does JJ stand for?
What?
JJ stand for.
The name of
The name of your company.
Yes, because yesterday we were in a meeting and we had put in the table some names, and our final decision was that yes, just because we like.
But by his last name,
Because-
something like that. Yeah.
And you're going to work with people who are going to be busy in the streets, and that usually is not a very safe very safe line of work because of car accidents and such, and it's usually express and all those types of things. Do you have taken in mind all the insurance that you're going to have to provide to most of your workers?
Of course, they will have
They
a
will-
bigger
yes.
security by the usual worker. So and they will be paid good.
All right.
So
How can I pay the order? By transaction or when you deliver the things on my house?
yes, also by transaction by credit card or online, or when the products arrive to your house, you can pay to the person who brings the product.
Okay.
We're going to have the inalambric card machine, so you can pay in your house.
Okay. Thanks.
Something
Another
else?
question?
A little.
Again, you.
Well, I want to say. I want to say something also. With this new idea, with this new business, we want to be the best business, the best supermarket in the region, because we think that for this innovation service there are no disadvantages. We're glad that you give it the time to listen to us, and we hope that you liked it, and we hope to make a
Great business.
successful business for decades. Thank you.
Go.
I mean, where do you see your business in 2 years?
2 years in the region.
Yes, in the region.
Yes,
First of all, we're going to start here in Torreon, and after that we can continue in Gomez and Lerdo.
Thank you very much. Why don't we have